Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change or adjust the page opacity for your apps you create and design on Base44. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to the app project inside the Base44 designer. Let me go with this example page of that example app here. You will need to click into preview on the top and then navigate to the edit mode by clicking into it. And then guys, click into the page in the background. And then guys, you will see these options here. What you want to do is click into opacity and adjust the opacity for the page. So if, for example, move that slider, you will see the difference here, right? So now the text is barely visible. If I set the opacity to 15% and back to 100%, and that's basically it. Exit the edit mode by clicking into it again. And you will see the changes saved here in the top left for your app page here in the canvas. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.